Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to customize lock screen widgets in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First, understand that what is lock screen widgets. Just lock your phone and click on the clock icon on lock screen. You will see other information. This is called lock screen widgets, that is music and routines options are showing here. Okay, if you are going to customize these options, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone. First go to settings, then go to lock screen and AOD, and here click on widgets, and here already two widgets are selected, music and routines. If you are going to show weather and digital well-being, yes, you can turn on those particular options also. So here all options are enabled. Okay, so now check, go to lock screen, go to put lock your phone, and click on the clock icon on lock screen, and see here all info are showing, music, then weather conditions, and digital well-being and routines. Four options are showing here. Okay, so if you are going to show nothing, you go to turn off all of them. Okay, just what you have to do is you go to turn off music, weather, digital well-being, routines. Okay, so nothing will be showing on the lock screen clock. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily customize lock screen clock in your phone Samsung, that is lock screen widgets in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.